In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Brawl Stars account. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Brawl Stars on your device. Now, recovering Brawl Stars account actually happens when you try to install the app and access your account on a different device. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover it by simply logging out from my Supercell account on this section by clicking on the settings icon at the top left corner of my screen. Now on the settings, I'll be able to find the log out option. So this will redirect me to this page. Now, if you try to install the app on a different device, this will pop up once you try to the app on your new device. So just go ahead and sign in to your Supercell ID account. You can do this using the email that you've connected with your Supercell ID for Brawl Stars. Once you sign in with the credentials that you have for your Supercell ID, you'll be able to recover your progress on Brawl Stars. And that's how you can simply recover Brawl Stars account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.